Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. My name is Prince Mason. Today we are doing our retouching challenge. Can I retouch an image to make it look like this in 5 minutes? That's probably going to be impossible, but we are going to try it. Sometimes I always want to see how fast I can retouch an image, and today we're going to see how quick I can retouch an image. Now, we're not doing this exact image, but we're doing something similar, which is going to be this image right here. Yes, it's kind of different, but we're trying to see if we can get the quality to look like this, you know, nice and smooth and good. Now, to be very honest, I think I will not be able to do it. Just getting out of the way, but we'll see. We'll see how good and how far I can get. Now, this retouching challenge that I use my actions for, I'm going to be using my Pro Retouching pack. As you guys can see, I have it opened right here, and we're going to hit the 5-minute mark and get to work. So without further ado, let's go. But before we do that, just want to tell you guys that if you have not checked out my Pro Retouching pack and my Retouching Essentials pack, my skin tone lots, you need to check it out. Links will be in the description below. Go check it out and go get yourself actions and presets that will help you retouch better and retouch faster. Trust me, and you see it in action right now. So let's go. I'm a little bit nervous to see if I can do this in 5 minutes. So 5 minutes, let's go. There we go. So right now, what I'm going to do first is duplicate this image, and then I will run my beauty retouch action, and hopefully that just loads as fast as possible. The faster your PC is, the quicker you can get this done. So right now, I have 15 seconds gone already. I need this thing to move at the speed of light. Move at the speed of light for me. Okay, great. That took almost 30 seconds to get ready. So I'm just going to go to paint here, pick my brush tool, and I will set my opacity to somewhere around 28. 28 is fine. Increase my brush size, and I'll just paint on paint here. Make sure that my foreground color is white. I do not know why I am teaching right now. I shouldn't be. I should just be trying to figure out how to get this thing done in a few minutes. I made a mistake right there. I shouldn't have gotten the lip, but that's totally fine. I think we're doing a decent job here. I will reduce my flow just a little bit again, and yeah, just leave it on there, and then just work on the hands and the neck. And I think I'm good now. I'm just going to jump in and start taking out texture. I have 3 minutes. 3 minutes is not going to get this thing done. I feel like I'm going to fail this time, so I'm just going to take out the texture, take this out, not take out texture, take out the blemishes. 3 minutes, man, look. I need to take this thing off. Like, 5 minutes is too 5 minutes too short. I need to take this up. Lord have mercy. There's no way I can get this done. 5 minutes. 5 minutes is a short time. You know, it's funny how, like, with this action, right, blending the skin is not the part that takes time. It's just taking out the blemishes, which is the easier part, right? That takes a lot of time. Why is my PC slow on me? I have 2 minutes. I need to get some things here done. I have 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I'm getting a decent job done. 2 minutes. I'm going to run my complete dodge and burn. I know you guys can't believe this, that how do you have a few minutes and you're doing micro dodge and burn? I do not know why I am doing micro dodge and burn, but I feel like it's going to help my case here. 2 minutes, micro dodge and burn. Just open my micro dodge and burn, come to burn, and let's burn some of this. Let's burn some of this. Let's get some things out the way. Let's burn some of this. Once it's 1 minute, I'll do my global dodge and burn. Maybe less than 1 minute, I'll do my global dodge and burn. Just get some of this out the way. I need to dodge a little bit. Once it gets to 1 minute, then I'll do my global dodge and burn. I think I'm doing a decent job. I mean, I'm not going to say I'm doing the best job in the world, but I'm doing quite a decent job. It's going to be 1 minute very soon. Let me see if I was able to do anything there. I think I did just a little bit. It's not great, but it is good enough. Global dodge and burn. Oh, take this up to maybe 3, 4. I feel like I'm running out of time. Global dodge and burn. Just going to dodge this. Okay, just dodge this and then burn. going to burn. Just burn some of this. Let's get some of the body. Just burn some of this. Okay, great. Zoom out. I feel like I could have done a little bit more on the beauty retouch, so I'm just going to come to extra smoothing here. Ooh, extra smoothing right here. Take my flow up a little bit. Oh, my voice is cracking. And just smoothing out some of these places again. Just some places around here. And that's not a bad job. 49 seconds. 49 seconds. Why on earth am I doing this? 49, 41 levels. Just give it some contrast. Nothing too much. Something like that. I think that contrast is too much. 32 seconds. I need more of my skin tone lots on this. Skin tone lots. Color lookup. My voice. And then I'm going to put my skin tone lots 4 on this. 4 is not good. Maybe 6. 6 looks better. And yeah, that's it. I did it in less than 5 minutes. I mean, I wish I had more time because there's still quite a little bit more to do. But let's see. Let's see what I was able to do in less than 5 minutes. Remember, this is the gold standard. No, I was not close. But I mean, it's good. You know, I just feel like there's still like a little bit more to do here and all that, but it's not like as good as having enough time to actually retouch the image. But for 5 minutes, I think I did great. Let's see what our before and after looks like for 5 minutes. Let's see before and after for 5 minutes. This is my before and this is my after. Before, after. Come on, you guys need to, like I did okay. Before, after. I think I did okay for 5 minutes. But I'll leave that to you guys for you guys to judge. You know, just let me know how well you think I did retouching this image in 5 minutes. Let me know if it's good enough. Let me know if this will pass, you know, for something that you give to a client. You know, just let me know. And by the way, I have the behind the scenes of this photo shoot coming soon. It's not even a behind the scenes, more like a lighting breakdown and BTS to show you guys how I shot this. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, just subscribe to the channel. And also, if you want to retouch like this and even take it a step further by taking your time, check out my pro retouching pack, my retouching essentials pack, my skin tone lots. Everything's going to be in the description below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.